Hey everyone, today I'm going to be taking you through a tour of our El Camino Residence Hall. Let's go check it out. El Camino Hall features primarily single room options, but there are a couple doubles. Let's check out this single number 32. Welcome to the El Camino single. This is what pretty much every room in this building is going to look like. They're all going to have the same furniture, which includes a twin XL bed, a window, and some shelving and storage space under the bed. Over here, you're going to have a desk and then a wardrobe with drawers and some hanging space. Now we've made it to an El Camino bathroom. There's a couple other bathrooms in this hall, but this one in particular is gender neutral. There's 4 showers, 3 bathroom stalls, and 5 sinks. All of our residence halls have free laundry facilities in and around the building. Now we've entered the El Camino courtyard. This is a great space with grass and open areas, trees. There's a couple events that are hosted here throughout the year, but ultimately just a great spot to chill. Before you go, here's a couple quick things to know about all of Menlo College's residence halls. Each hall is supervised by a team of professional residential life staff and student RAs who are here to support you, whether it's about housing needs, your academics, personal growth, or just navigating campus life in general. RAs are also on call after hours for anything from helping with roommate conflicts to checking in on student well-being. And to keep everyone safe, RAs do routine health and safety checks throughout the year. Just to recap, every room comes with furniture including a twin XL bed, desk, chair, and dresser or wardrobe for each student. You'll need to bring your own bedding, and we recommend extras like a lamp, alarm clock, and trash can. You're also more than welcome and encouraged to decorate and bring things like a mini fridge, microwave, and TV. Just be sure to follow our approved appliance list for safety. Talking about roommates, room assignments for new students will go out prior to move-in, and you'll get all the details in your email or through your My Menlo account. Thank you so much for coming along this tour with me. Please like and comment below, and if you want to see any more videos about residence hall tours, campus tours, or just more about Menlo, be sure to subscribe and follow us. Bye!